सो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन व्यूअर्स। आज हम ग्रुप डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं। जैसे कि गंगो में एक अफवाह है कि 3 महीने में इंग्लिश बोलना सीखे। ये जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हैं इनको सिर्फ 1 या 2 महीना हुआ है, इससे ज़्यादा किसी को नहीं हुआ है। आप ही खुद अपने आप से देखें कि कितनी इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं विद इन 1 मंथ। और अगर आप भी इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं तो आप हमें ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। हमारा सेंटर है पदम सनीमा रोड, श्री बालाजी मार्केट, नियर SBI, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया जो हमारा है उसके बराबर में है। बाकी अब शुरू करते हैं। आई थिंक यू आर गाइस वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड नर्वस भी होंगे थोड़ा बहुत, क्योंकि आप कैमरे के सामने पहली बार आ रहे हो। चलो, मैं चाहता हूँ आप सबसे पहले अपने आप को थोड़ा सा इंट्रोड्यूस कर दीजिए। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद यू। ओनली इंट्रोडक्शन।
Good morning everyone, this is Lavish. I am currently studying. I am working on my communication English at Opera Coaching Center, Gango. I have been learning English at Opera Coaching Center since 1 month. Thank you.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। 1 मंथ। देखिए लविश को 1 मंथ हुआ है। समीर।
Hello everyone. Well, my name is Sameer. Currently, I have completed my 9th class from Silver Oak Public School. I work in communication skill from Opera Center.
ओके, डोंट गेट नर्वस। पहली चीज आपको बता दूं सभी के सभी को, आप नर्वस ना हो कोई भी। ओके, नेक्स्ट।
Good morning everyone. My name is Nikhil Chauhan. I am from Dubar Kishanpur. I have completed my 12th class in 2023 from Sajapur Sarsawa. I have completed my 1 month at Opera Center. Thank you.
वेलकम।
Hello, I am Shafaq. I am doing BSc. I am doing English speaking skill with Adnan Sir Operating Institutes. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rakib and I am from Badod, district Bagpat. I am doing English spoken at Gango with Adnan sir.
ओके, थैंक यू।
Hello.
राकीब, आप बड़ौद से है, बागपत से?
जी सर,
आप-
मैं बागपत से हूँ जी।
दैट्स ग्रेट। ओके, यस।
Hello, good morning, all of you.
हाँ, गुड मॉर्निंग।
My name is Babar Chaudhary. I am from Ballu near Gango.
ओके,
I have completed my 12th class Biarigarh Dehradun from Biarigarh Dehradun, and I also come to Opera Center Gango to learn English. I have completed 1 month
ओके, 1
at
मंथ।
Opera Center. Thank you, sir.
व्हाट हैपेंड? यस।
Hello everyone. Firstly, it's my pleasure to introduce myself to you.
ओके,
I'm
वेलकम।
Sarim from Gango. I recently completed my class 12th. Up 15 to 20 days ago, I joined Opera Center to improve my English, and honestly, Adnan sir helped me a lot to improving my English, because when I was come in Opera Center, I was very mistakes in my communication and grammar skills, but Adnan sir helped me a lot, and thank you sir again
Welcome.
for
ओके, यू वेलकम। नेक्स्ट।
Hello everyone, my name is Aman Malik. I am from Gango. Recently, I have completed my class 12 from Ambeta Peer. Currently, I am working on my communication skills at Opera Center with Adnan sir. Now, I have lot of improve in my communication skills. So, thank you so much.
यू वेलकम। ओके गाइस, एक छोटी सी चीज़ मैं आपको बता दूं ग्रुप डिस्कशन शुरू करने से पहले, आपको टॉपिक देने से पहले। और वो छोटी सी चीज़ ये है कि जितना आप करीब से बोलोगे उतना अच्छी आपकी वॉइस रिकॉर्ड होगी। ठीक है? ओके, नाउ आई गिव यू अ टॉपिक टू डिस्कस अपॉन, एंड द टॉपिक इज मनी एवरीथिंग? क्या आपको लगता है पैसा ही सब कुछ है? सो आप इधर से शुरू करेंगे। आप कौन सी साइड से है?
Money is not everything.
ओके, मनी इज नॉट एवरीथिंग। आप सभी के सभी मनी इज नॉट एवरीथिंग की साइड में है। और आप?
Money is everything.
ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट। सो अब की बार दोनों माइक के साथ कौन शुरू करना चाहेगा आप में से ग्रुप डिस्कशन? सारिम, कैन यू स्टार्ट द ग्रुप डिस्कशन? ओके, हियर यू गो।
good morning everyone. I'm Sarim from Gango. I recently
कम से कम 1-1.5 किलोमीटर की रेडियस लाइक 50-60 मीटर तक पकड़ लेता है कोई
I recently completed my class 12th, and my strength is hardworking, quick learner, and multitasking. My hobbies are reading a book, singing a song, and listen a music. My short-term goals are achieving a medical seats in AIMS Delhi, and my long-term dreams goals are becoming a great doctor in reputed college. Then I would pay very thankful to a GD organizer, Mr. Adnan sir, on behalf of my complete team. Thank you again for giving me this golden opportunity for this today wonderful project, wonderful topic. Money is not everything.
Okay.
In my opinion, money is not everything because money is just a part of our life. So don't be stressed to it because money is not everything.
Okay, that's fantastic.
Because money can't buy happiness. Because happiness can be stored or shared to anyone. And money give me a short-term pleasure, but not give me a long-term pleasure.
Okay.
So money is not everything in a people's life.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's a great start. Thank you very much. So from this side, can you prove me or can you help me to come to the conclusion that money is everything? You believe that money is everything, and this guy has given a stupendous start to the group discussion. Are you ready for the same? Yes, please.
Money might be not buy happiness directly, but it can lead to happiness by, for example, you can go on vacations. You can also drive cars and fill your hobbies. Thank you.
For example,
For example, if you want to drive car, you need a car. For buying car, you need money. If you want to play cricket, you need cricket kit, bat and cricket ball.
okay.
For example, if someone want to become a doctor, they need to study more. They need money. They have to pay money to the institute. Without money, any institute doesn't teach us. Thank you.
Welcome. That's fantastic. This is a great point. Further, so Aman, can you please tell me, give me some good examples why money is not everything?
Sir, I think this is very meaningful and debatable topic in today's world. Money is essential for our basic needs. Like it's help to purchase, it's help to buy foods, clothes, and books, and any other things. But any other things to live comfortably in our life. But there are many things. There are many things in life that money can never buy. For example, money can't buy love, respects, and true friendships. You can't pay someone to genuinely care about you, care for you. So money can't buy happiness and inner peace. So I think money is not everything.
Money is something, not everything.
Money is important, but not everything.
Yes, please, Samir. Can you give the example of? Can you give the answer of this question that money is something, not everything, or can you prove me that money is everything?
I can prove.
Uh-huh.
Suppose you go to anywhere
Uh-huh.
and sometime your mother and your father are have
Uh-huh.
वो चोट लग जाना चोट लगने को
Get injured?
get injured.
Uh-huh.
So you take a hospital in your mother and father.
Okay, guys, listen to me carefully. We are Indian. If any word does not come in your mind in English, you can speak in Hindi. Here you have to showcase your ability to listen others and to be good English communicators. Vocabulary is something that we cannot learn in 1 month. Just speak with confidence.
Without money, the hospital staff, you cannot accept patients because you don't have money. So hospital staff you cannot accept. What's your opinion?
Yes. Sorry.
I have.
You can give this to Baba because you have already. He has a. I think.
सर एक्चुअली हॉस्पिटल्स है ना, तो sometimes we can do work not only with money but also with prayers.
Speak.
I have a different point of view. According to APJ Abdul Kalam, money is a terrible master but an excellent servant.
Money is a
Terrible master but is an excellent servant, because in this quote IPJ Abdul Kalam said that if you have not a skills to control the money, so money control you and makes you a servant, because everybody knows some person who have invest a money so much, so one day he will become a servant. So if you have don't skills to control the money, you become a servant one day.
Yes, I agree.
If you have any answer.
Sir, I think money is everything this time, because you have not money, you have no shelter, no food, no education. When you have money, you have shelter, food, education. Feelings is not matter. When you have only feelings, you does not go buy fruits, vegetables, shelter. I think this time money is everything. You buy some things when you use that, like education, like food, shelter, and all of those.
So, in your opinion, money does not matter. Yeah, Nikhil, what do you say? Do you want to add something to your?
People cannot live in this world without money, because money is the second god of the world.
Yeah.
Because we have not we have don't have money, so we cannot purchase anything
Got?
like car,
Or
education, and
can we purchase education?
yes,
How? Can you give me example?
like
Yes. You pass. Yes. How we can purchase education, Mr. Lavis?
If anyone want to study furthermore, they need money. If someone preparing for NEET, they have to pay money to the institute. For example, you are studying from PW. I agree. They take less amount. It is not like that. They don't take money. So they need money to study.
Definitely. We need money to study. So with the help of money, we can certainly buy education. Aman, what do you say now? Rakib, I think you have not spoken yet. What do you say?
Sir, I'm saying that money is not everything, because money cannot buy good health.
Okay.
When the people admitted in hospital, they cannot buy good health for him. So money cannot everything for everyone, but
Money is something,
but not everything.
Yes.
I want to add one more point. You can't ignore the fact that most of the world's problem, from hunger to lack of education, can be solved with money. Example, a poor village without school or clean water can be transformed if enough money is invested. Money builds school, provide food, and create jobs, solving real problems that emotion can't fix.
Yes, it is true that money solves the real problems, like from hunger to education. If a village is, I agree with this statement. What do you say? Do you have a strong point against this?
Sir, I already mentioned this point. Money is important for our basic needs, but not everything. I already mentioned. But this time another thing, money cannot give us good health. Of course, money help us get treatment or visit doctors. It cannot guarantee a health life or protect us from every illness. So time is also something money cannot buy. No one can buy more time in life. No one can buy more time in life and go back in past to fix mistakes. That's why we should value the time we spend with our loved one once more than chasing money all the time.
I agree. This is a great point. Yes.
But
here,
I have a
agree
different
that
point of
we cannot purchase time. If you are poor or rich, you have 24 hours. You cannot increase the amount of time. Yes.
I have a different point of view. In my eyes, time is more value than money.
Huh.
Because you have get a more time, but more money, but you cannot get a more time. Because time is a finite and irreplaceable things of nature. If you once spend your time, you cannot be recover your time, because there is a major difference between time and money. You everybody knows how much money you have, but you never know how much time you have. So if you spend your money, so you know you spend your money, but if you spend your time, you spend a part of your quality life. And you
I would say rather than spending, you should say waste.
yes, if you waste your money, so you waste your money, but if you waste your time, you waste a part of your life, because time is more quality than money. Because if you have a good time to study in other things, so time is more important, more important than money.
Yes, Lavish, and anybody from Nikhil or Sapak, what do you say, guys?
You can't change your past, but you can make your future good. For example, if you are poor, you can earn money and make your big house, buy cars and needy things, and you can give donations to charities and other things. Thank
That's
you.
a great point. I agree. If you have money, if you are poor, you can neither change your past nor future. But if you become rich or earn a lot of money, it can at least change your future and make your present good. Okay, yeah.
Also, happiness does not always come from money. Some people have a lot of money, but they still feel depressed, lonely, or sad. Meanwhile, other person with very little money live happily with their family and friends. That's because happiness comes from the heart, not the wallet. Imagine a very rich businessman. He owns big cars and big houses and luxurious things and travel the world. He has everything whose money can buy. But he is always busy. He does not spend time with family. His children feel like strangers to him. His friends stopped calling to him because he is never free. Even he is living a luxurious life, but he feel lonely and empty inside. Now imagine a school teacher with a small income. She does not have a big house or a luxurious car, but she spend time with her family and friends, and she helps her neighbors. Her heart is full of love, peace, and happiness. She may not be rich in money, but she is rich in relationships and values. So I think real relationships are built on trust, time, and emotion, not money. So I think money is not everything.
Yes. From Samir, I want to know from you, do you agree with this statement or do you still believe that money is everything?
Yes, sir.
Or can you just prove me? Yeah.
It's a very good point. You earn a lot of money, but you don't forget your families, your friends. So many people earn a lot of money, but stress, very stress, because he is narrow-minded.
They are
narrow-minded. And some people are broad-minded. So they cannot stress.
They do not take any stress.
They do not any stress.
Yes, Nikhil, want to add some point? Yes, okay.
As long as we have money, we belong to everyone. Everything belongs to us. If there is no money, you are not ours and we are not yours, no matter who that person is.
Yeah, as long as you have money, we are yours and you are mine. If we don't have money, no one knows you. Yes.
In emergencies, emotion can't pay hospital bills. Money does. That's the harsh reality of the world.
That's the hard reality. In an emergency, your emotions, your character does not pay the bill of hospitals. It's money that does.
For example, if someone has a heart attack, the hospital won't start the treatment without an advance payment. In that moment, love can't save them, money can. That's why in emergencies, emotions are not enough, money is essential.
I agree. That's a great point.
In my eyes, money and loves are different things. If you spend a more money, less you have, but you spend a more love, you more are in return.
Okay, get you more in return. Yeah, that's it.
Everybody says money is not everything.
Uh-huh.
Someone believes no relationship are possible without money, but no amount of money cannot buy a pure love or happiness, because money is just a part of our life or basic needs, and money does not buy a pure love or happiness or truth.
Okay, now I want you to continue, Mr. Rakib. Can you please share your own opinions?
In my opinion, money crucial for survival, but it is not everything. Because a balanced life requires a mix of finance, stability, and relationship, personal growth and happiness.
That's great. Money is essential. You agree. That's fantastic. Nikhil, you want to say something? Yes.
Can you celebrate Valentine's Day without money, your true love?
With your true love.
With true love?
That's great. Can you just
True love not recommended. You give me a gift. He says not. You give me a gift.
He will love never expect you to return any gifts or ask for the gifts. I
Bro,
agree.
Gone are the days. Many girls without money you cannot accept you.
Bro, it's not.
Yes.
We all talking about true love, not a gold digger girls. It's called gold digger girls, not a true lover girls.
Yes.
Bro.
Okay. Shafaq wants to say something. Please pass the marker. Please, Mike. Okay, you
I
can
think feeling is not money is everything. When you have money, when you have only feelings, you not buy anything. When you have money, you buy something. And you say true love. True love is not make food for you. You eat that. You leave that. You have only feelings. What you leave without money and food.
I also mentioned that money is essential for our basic needs. Money is essential for our basic needs, not everything. We are discussing about money is everything.
Bro,
yes.
this is the harsh reality of today's time. You are living in 2025, not in 90s. Today's girls only want money. They are not gold diggers. For example, every girl is, as you are saying, gold digger. So as that, every girl is gold digger.
Yes. This.
The gold digger means is your partner said that the girl only love money. So the girl loved by money, she is a gold digger.
Okay.
Every girl is not a gold digger, because in 2025
Bro, in 2025, the population of India is 1.4 billion.
Okay, it will continue for a long period of time, I think. चलिए प्लीज मुझे माइक दे दीजिए. अब अपने ऑडियंस से पूछ लेते हैं. What do you say, guys? ऑडियंस, आप क्या कहते हैं? Which side do you think is more important? क्या 21st सेंचुरी है तो हम ये चीज एक्सेप्ट कर ले, मनी इज एवरीथिंग, और 21st सेंचुरी नहीं है तो हम लोग क्या ये कह दे कि मनी इज. Okay, guys, I conclude your topic. And do you want to conclude, or can I conclude the topic yours? Okay, I take the opportunity to conclude this topic. And after, the topic was quite interesting and controversial in my opinion. You have given a lot of information to me that I had to appreciate you on the spot. But it's still, some of you have said great points, this is the harsh reality of the world. You have money, the relatives you have are in your favor, that Nikhil has mentioned. I accept this point. If you don't have money, your brother, your father, sometimes just insult you on the spot. And on the other hand, some of my friends have mentioned that we can also buy education with the help of money. And in an emergency situation, then you realize money is everything. On the other hand, some brilliant guys have given so many good examples. Like Aman, it was fantabulous for me. I had to appreciate you in between the just video. You mentioned a story of a teacher. That is true. It is true. If you have money or less money, but you are very you are giving time to your family members, your dear and near ones. Why the billionaires like Bill Gates, Hardik Pandya, Elon Musk are divorcing their wives or filing the divorce? Because if money is everything, they must stay connected with their relatives, with their dear and near ones. So still money is something I accept with I conclude by saying that money is something it is really essential for your basic needs, such as shelter, as Safak mentioned, shelter, house for to live in, health, education, food. If comes these tangible things, tangible means which are watchable, seeable, visible. But when it comes to intangible things like love, happiness, and many more things, then money leaves you apart. If money is everything, why the people who have a lot of money have died? So at the end of the group discussion, I have to say that money is really something but not everything. But this generation feels that money is everything. We need to change our mindset. Philosophy matters a lot. Before I finish, I want to share a story with you. Like there was a singer or actor like Michael Jackson, everybody knows. For every single thing, he had just servants to serve him. If money is everything, why he has died?
He died because of surgeries.
Surgeries. He had money, he died.
A lot of doctors living in room 24/7. But why?
Okay, yeah, that's great. Okay, guys, anybody from you also want to conclude this interesting topic? Yes, very good.
I take the opportunity to conclude the topics. Today topics was very fantastic and controversial too. I have learned a lot of things in this topic because some of my friends give me a very knowledgeable knowledgeable views, and some of my friends gives a very good views. So I learned a lot of things, but I think money is not everything, because money buy a bed but not a sleep, money buy a house but not a home, and money buy a computer but not a brain, and money buy a food but not appetite. So money is just a basic needs of our life, but it is not everything in my life, because money money cannot save the life of money cannot save our life. So in last I said that money is just a part and not everything. So guys, you answer my question: money is everything or money is not everything?
Okay, from one do you want to conclude this once again? Yeah.
First of all, thanks to you, Mr. Adnan sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to conclude this group discussion. As my friend said that you can buy house but not home. First of all, you need money to buy house, so you should buy first house. After that, buy home, and you need brain to earn money. So first of all, money, you have to earn money with your brain. Thank you.
Yeah, to purchase a laptop you need money. So do you want to say something, Aman? Anybody from you want to say?
So we already mentioned this point. Money is essential for basic needs. So I think you should need to understand the topic. Money is not everything, or is money is everything or not? You
Okay, thanks a lot guys. उम्मीद करता हूँ आप इस वीडियो को बहुत सारा प्यार देंगे. आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? Everybody have okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, you want to share a शायरी? Okay, share.
Do you like say that parents love us? Do you education us? They give us all facilities so that we grow up capable, earn money and bear our own expenses, because they cannot bear our expenses for the entire life.
Okay, I think you are not finished yet.
I want to
But we cannot make the video too long. बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं लेके जा सकती. Yes, please.
I want to present a quote from Bill Gates. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you are die poor, it's your mistake. Thank you.
Earn a lot of money. Yes.
Thank you, sir. One last. Money is number and numbers never end. If it takes money to be happy, your search for happiness will never end.
Money is a number and number never ends. If you consider money everything, your search will never end for happiness.
Sir, one point.
Yes.
Please, one last point. We can buy happiness with money. When we help a poor person with money, he becomes happy. Or when we help old age home or an orphanage with money, we get happiness. We can also buy happiness with money.
पैसे से खुशी भी खरीदी जा सकती है भाई. आप
Yes, sir.
चैरिटी करो.
Sir,
Yes.
2 points are different from other in the world. One is money and respect. You can give respect with money, but you cannot accept it. Example भी दे सकता हूँ.
Yes, Kenny. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, I think आपका ग्रुप डिस्कशन खत्म करने का मन नहीं है आज, but I have to finish. Guys, आप कमेंट करके बताएं, how did you feel? क्या आपको मजा आया? एक महीने में इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल रहे थे. I was very, मैं ऑन द कैमरा बोल रहा हूँ. I am very happy with your performance. Yes. Okay, no, Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Please share the video with others जो बेसिकली गंगो से है. देखो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आप 3 महीने में सीख जाओगे. अगर आप दम लगा के सीखते हो तो मैं आपको 1 महीने में भी सिखा सकता हूँ, 20 दिन में और 15 दिन में भी सिखा सकता हूँ. और अगर आप आते हो और जाते हो, अपना टाइम खराब करते हो और पूछते हो कि सर कितने दिन में सीख जाओगे, टाइम डज नॉट मैटर. अगर आप अच्छी इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं तो आप आ जाइए ओपेरा इंस्टीट्यूट पे और आपको जरूर इंग्लिश सिखा देंगे. टाइम के लिए शर्त ना रखिए. क्या आप इस बात से एग्री हो कि आपको अच्छी इंग्लिश सिखा सकता है गंगो में ओपेरा इंस्टीट्यूट? ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.